Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tembeka from Yizocom. Today's video it's about Uthando Nesithembu. Guys, Makhola now is pregnant. And other sister wives they supposed to know. Since Musa he haven't got mother to share with that good news, he ended up share them with Macele. But Macele facial expression show us another side of her. But local we will see it tonight. Babake every time puts Macele in trouble because he share everything with Macele, although he has 4 wives. Babake, until remember what happened on other episode. On Snare's side, it's tight, very tight, since she talks with broadcasts with other wives. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it. Bye you.